The Whirlpool WP2315562 refrigerator thermostat provides reliable temperature control by accurately cycling the compressor so food stays safely chilled without freezing. As an original Whirlpool component, this thermostat matches the fit and performance of the factory part, which makes it a trustworthy choice for restoring an aging side-by-side refrigerator. Homeowners with basic tools and beginner repair skills can usually install this thermostat themselves, avoiding a service call while giving new life to a refrigerator that runs too warm or too cold. The part is engineered to work with a wide range of Whirlpool side-by-side models, so one thermostat can solve temperature issues across several compatible refrigerators. Construction quality feels solid and durable, which is important for a part that switches on and off frequently and needs to hold a stable setting over many years of use. Paired with a simple refrigerator thermometer to verify temperatures, this thermostat makes it much easier to dial in a safe, energy-efficient cooling range for everyday food storage.